1, 2.
Easy. Yeah, we're gonna kind of. If this exhaust is gonna kill us.
I mean, it is.
I think that's what's killing us right now. So, no, it's not that. It's this.
What do you mean it's this?
Just what I said.
Oh yeah, it's that whole thing. It's
Hold
holding
this off.
What size? 210. Okay. Well, that's what I would have said too.
So average.
So I'm getting. Let's take a wrench and grab it.
3/8. This is 1,000% what's holding us on right now. So as soon as this comes off, we're gonna.
Let me check down for safety or what?
God damn it. Ugh. Yeah, probably.
Probably not. I don't know.
I'm betting it's 7/16. Surprised it's not forcing its way off there.
I need, yeah.
That's not colored me. That's gonna probably shoot switch off. Left it down here.
Okay.
Very, very slowly. No, you lost it.
Okay, ready?
Okay, never mind. Stop.
Okay, I'll pull. Ready?
I'm not ready.
Use some line now. Ready?
No, make sure I got anything on here still.
No, we still have oil pan. It's gonna have, we have.
As soon as it comes out, it's getting this motion go boom. So be ready. Fingers, toes.
Yeah, see, I'm kind of pulling it like. My toes kind of a little bit.
Oh,
Are we out?
no, come back.
We can come back. Fuck. I need one update.
It's already fucking got there.
I was expecting that to be a lot more dramatic, and I was like, no. Oh, God, that's shit. Okay, let's make sure we have no other connecting factors.
You know, ground. Damn, not really a sucker, that's fucked.
I mean, this.
Yes, that is definitely a factor. Keep your fingers. You want all those.
Get it. Yeah, ready?
Stay. Go around your side. Power steering, anything else going out there? Any cables, wires. Okay. Now free. We're already free. Look at
Okay, hold on. I'll pull it out. Ready?
Yeah.
Fingers good, everything?
Yep.
Corey, no left hand.
that.
Yep.
Got that one in.
Okay, ready?
Yep.
Hold up. Okay, we should hit now. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Hold up. Okay,
Not like your finger. That would take your finger. That'll take your finger right off. Not like your finger on there.
I think we're gonna have to get this motor all the way up so we could have oil pan.
No, I think you let it down some.
Okay.
Where's the oil pan?
It's the oil filter. It's hitting part of the frame right here.
Oil filter. Take that motherfucker off.
Yeah, see?
Go ahead, take that off.
We're gonna have to check it down and push it back. Guarantee that thing's not hand tight. Yeah, we just put a
Can
person
you jack it up more?
I'm trying.
Hang on, stop. Okay. Pull it. We're out.
This one's free. This one's free. That filter just passed. Hold up. Yeah, we're free.
Hang on, easy. Keep going. Nice and easy. Okay, it's free. It is. No. We're sitting right on that we don't want to eat. Pull the finger out. Okay. Keep nice and smooth. There you go. Okay, set it down, guys. Nice and easy. Do not drop it.